Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Your device is of course informing you what it will actually reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings, and a quick disclaimer, this operation cannot be undone. So tap on reset settings if you're ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.